Running commands on AWS EC2 instances can be time-consuming, but Cloudshot makes it simple. With our command execution feature, you can quickly and efficiently run commands on your EC2 instances. For example, if you need to update software on multiple EC2 instances or fix an issue, instead of logging into each instance and running commands one by one, you can do it all at once using Cloudshot. It's quick, easy, and keeps everything consistent. With Cloudshot, tasks like software updates, checking logs, or routine maintenance are simple and fast, so you can focus on your important work instead of spending time on manual tasks. Let's get started. First, we need to fetch the AWS diagram. To do this, click on the AWS Network Discovery button. If you want to learn more about fetching diagrams, check out the AWS Cloud Account video. Select the EC2 instance you want to run the command on. Simply right-click on the instance, then go to the Cloudshot AWS option from the menu. From there, select Execute Command. The command execution window will open. In the execution interface, you'll have three options to run commands. You can upload a script file in .sh format, or you can paste an HTTPS URL that contains your script, and you can directly enter an EC2 command. Let's start with the first option, uploading a script. Upload .sh script file directly from your computer, and then click on the Run Command button. You will also receive notification that the command is successfully executed. To see the details of the command execution, just click on the arrow. This window displays the results of the command execution on your EC2 instance. It gives you a clear view of what happened during execution, allowing you to track and monitor the process easily. At the top, we have the machine ID and its state. In this case, it's running. Our command execution was successful, as shown by the success status. Under Commands, we can see we're working with an uploaded script. The system shows us it's running on Linux/Unix, with the exact start and end times, and it took just 0.516 seconds to complete. The output also shows that the current user is root, and both Python 3 and PostgreSQL packages are installed. It's simply providing information about the user and the installed packages. You can also copy the output and hide the details if needed. Now, let's try the second option. Cloudshot gives you another way to access the Execute command. Just click on this third icon button. Then, paste your HTTPS URL here, and click on the Run Command button. You will receive notification that the command is successfully executed. If you want to see the details of the command, just click on the arrow. You'll see details about the HTTPS URL you used. It will show the status, execution time, and any output from the command, just like with the first option. Let's see the output. The system first updates everything to make sure it's up to date. Then, it installs Apache, which is our web server software. In step 3, we can see the web server successfully starting up. Next, it installs PHP and all its required components, including MySQL support. The final steps involve restarting the web server to apply our changes, creating a test page to verify everything works, and setting up proper security permissions. Now, let's try the third option. Just click on the shortcut button. Simply enter your EC2 command directly into the provided field. Then click on the Run Command button. After executing the command, you will receive a notification, just like before. To see the details, click on the arrow. Here, you will see the details of the command execution. This command shows basic information about your system. It tells you things like the name of the operating system, the version of the kernel, the machine type, and the system's architecture. And that's it. Now that we've gone through all the options, you can see how smoothly everything works in Cloudshot. With Cloudshot, executing commands on AWS has never been this easy. Our comprehensive command history feature lets you easily track and review all previously executed commands. Whether you're uploading scripts, using URLs, or typing commands directly, take a full control of your EC2 instances today and run commands with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching.